Hello everyone, I'm doing something daring, well daring for me today. I'm going to try and get some pink hair. I know, midlife crisis, but hey, it's going to be fun. It's wash out anyway, it's shampoo. So it hopefully will wash out in a few washes. I'm just hoping that it doesn't come out all blotchy. So I've got, like the tinting tools to use. So I'm going to brush it on my hair so it doesn't come out all blotchy. This is the shampoo. It's Delorenzo Rose Gold shampoo. It's the Nova Fusion. And from what I was reading before, you put it on for, it says up to 5 minutes. I've got some dark roots, well, not really dark, but it's dark blonde at the back. So I might start at the back and leave that on. And so by the time I get to the front, it's probably 7 or 8 minutes maybe. And I was a bit concerned about the gold in the name because being blonde, I do go a little bit brassy. So I'm going to use my normal purple conditioner, leave that on for a few minutes after I shampoo and see if that gets rid of some of the gold tones because I don't want it to run too gold. So I'm going to go and do that. I've got to go and wet my hair and then I'll come back and put the tint on. Okay, it's a little red. It's a bit more red than I thought it would be. Oh well, it's only shampoo. Can always rinse it out, I hope. Oh, getting it all over me. Oh, that's red. Oh well. My mum, my late mother, she was a little feisty redhead. She would be laughing herself silly with me doing this, particularly because of how red it looks. She'd be, you know what she'd be saying? She'd be saying, "Oh, finally, I've got a redhead child." Because she had 3 children, or 3 living children. One unfortunately passed away, but 3 children who, none of us are redheads, except one of my brothers has got a very red beard when he grows it. There's more serious things going on in the world right now than me having blotchy red hair. Should have worn gloves. My husband's still asleep in bed. It's early in the morning here. He's going to wake up and have a new wife. He usually stops me from doing anything silly. That's why I do it when he's asleep. Oops. In Brisbane here, it's a rainy day today, but it's a public holiday because we're having our Brisbane City Show public holiday. But because of the current circumstances, they weren't able to actually have the show, which was unfortunate. When it was first started, the Brisbane exhibition, it was for bringing the country into the city. And I haven't been for many years actually. We went all the time as a child. But they're known for their ice cream sundaes, strawberry ice cream sundaes. And I think it started out with the Country Women's Association raising funds. So, and there's, because the exhibition isn't on this year, we're going to go out to there's a few little pop-up places that are doing it because the exhibition is closed or not opening. So we're going to go out and do that today. Not that it's the weather for it, but got to support and it's tradition. It's also tradition to have Dagwood dogs, which is, I think they're known by a few names throughout the world. Pluto pups. It's basically a battered sausage, basically on a stick, or a corn dog. I think you might even call them in the States. So you can also have that. They've got a drive-through in the exhibition grounds. Only going to the end of the weekend, I think. But I'm not going for that. Just for the ice cream. This is looking scary. Ooh. Oh, my hand's pink. I'll show you in a minute. Oh. Reminds me of when I tried to do fake tanning a few years ago. Except obviously it wasn't pink, but it was orange. And I'm quite pale, so it looked pretty funny. Well, my husband thought it was funny. Okay. I'll just go and, oh, my hand's icky. I'll just go and wash my hands and then time it for 5 minutes. I like it. It's subtle, but I didn't want a big hot pink red mess, so I'm pretty happy with that. Looks really nice. Like it's caught onto my blonde foil, so parts of it look a little more pink than others, but I like it. Nice for a change. And I'm just grateful it's not hot pink. Not going anywhere special today. Just to get an ice cream. Don't need to look all glam for that, but I will put a little bit of makeup on. It's looking really gloomy out there. Mind you, it's supposed to be winter in Brisbane. It's not really that cold. We've had a few cold days, and the evenings and mornings get cold, but nothing much more than that. Just going to do a little something to get the redness out of my face. Oops. Oh, it's a bit dark. It's really nice, but I got the wrong shade. I got, oh, I can't see, light, and I should have got fair. It's okay though. I'll mix it with something to make it a little bit lighter. It's my favourite. Discontinued. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. I was a bit of a guinea pig. I love it. I probably will use it again. And I think if you left it on longer, I think I probably ended up leaving it on for about 8 minutes. And it's like a gentle shade of pink. I hope you can see it with the lights. Let me see if I can turn. It looks blonde in the camera. I might put you in a different light and see if that helps. And I'll go and, oh, there, you can see it a little bit there. I'll shut the blinds a bit. Oops. And see if that helps. If I can get it to work. Is that better? Or is that worse? Oh, you can see it a little bit. Come down here. There we go. That's better. Oh, I should do my filming out here. Looks really good. I like it. I'm happy with it. And I'll use it again. So I recommend it. It's the Delorenzo Rose Gold shampoo. And I did use, I think it was called, let me get the purple shampoo for you. White Ice, it's called. That's purple conditioner, sorry, not shampoo that I used. Okay, thanks everyone. Have a great day. Bye.